my name Princess Aria, and I'm going to show you my new Kinder Egg. So first we're going to make a guest start.
How many do you have?
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
4.
Okay.
So how many? We're opening 4 today again?
Yes.
Okay, so put it on the plate.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and put the bag down then, huh? Did you get a lot of Kinder Surprise eggs?
Yes.
Can we look inside a bag?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look.
So first we're going
Let's take a look how many is in the bag, okay? Oh, that's a lot of Kinder Surprise eggs.
I'm going to start opening.
Okay. What number is this?
This is called number 1. Okay, I can't wait to see it. Wow! That's amazing egg!
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay, give it to me.
Okay, Mommy.
Here you go.
Thank you, Mommy. Let's see
What's in there?
Open it, Mommy. Mommy, I can't wait to see. Okay, what's inside? You have this. Whoa!
What is that?
What's that? So we have to put it together. Okay, we have to open the paper.
Can you show us the paper?
Sure.
What is it? Let us see. Wait, it's upside down. Let's take a look. What is that? That's like a spaceship. Wait, no it's not. It's like a rocket, huh?
Yes, but it's like a monster. It's like a rocket.
It's like a rocket. Where's the other piece at?
Okay, this is the other piece. Oh, like this.
You got it! Good job, Aria.
See? It's a rocket. Shh.
Good job.
I built it by myself. I'm sure.
You are. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Okay.
What? What's wrong?
The other one's down.
Okay, go ahead and get it.
I need to open up something.
Let's guess, what is it?
Okay, I think it's going to be a minion.
A minion?
It's a pirate minion.
A pirate minion? I think it is a monster truck.
No, I think it's going to be a pirate minion.
Okay, let's open it and see what is it.
Yes, see what's inside.
Come on, Aria. Let's see, what is it? Come on.
Wow! This is a giant egg!
What egg? You cracked it! Good job!
What? Mommy, open it.
Try to squeeze it. See if you can squeeze it. Okay, that's okay. I help you.
Mommy, I can't wait to see
There you
what's
go.
inside.
Can we see?
Okay, sure. Okay, yes, Bill.
Let's see. Let's get that wrapped out. Good job.
Oh,
What is that? Oh, that's a skateboard.
A skateboard?
Yeah.
They were how we put it together.
I think you got it.
Like this?
Let me see.
Is it
Here we go. We got it.
skateboard?
Skateboard. Maybe when we get the menu, we put it on top of the skateboard, okay? Alright. Okay, let's go open number 3.
Okay.
Let's put this on the side.
I
Let's
think
guess again, what is it?
it's gonna be a minion.
A minion? I think... Can I say a minion also?
Yeah.
This time you don't need my help, huh? You know how to open it, huh?
But I need this help.
Oh, okay.
Wow, that's a giant egg.
A giant egg?
Whoa, the giant egg.
You got it?
I'm gonna crack.
One more. You got it. You cracked it open. Let me see. Yes, you did. Open it. Use both hands. Open it. Crack it open. Wait, did you? Yeah, on the bottom. Go look at. You got it, Aria. Good job.
Hurry open. So we have space in the scooter.
Let's see. What is it? I can't wait. What is it?
What? What?
What is that?
Can
Can you put it here? What is that?
What's that?
That's a motorcycle. Fix it. Wow, you're getting all these cars and vehicles.
Do you want to see the papers?
The what?
The papers.
No. Let's open the 4th one then.
Okay.
Hopefully that's a minion.
Okay, we'll see that one. So first we have to peel off these. So I got us,
You got a rocket.
rocket, and a scooter.
Wait, that's a skateboard.
Okay, let's go skateboard.
And that's a motorcycle.
This is my circle. Then I'm gonna open this. Yeah. So we have,
Hopefully that's a minion, huh?
I can hope he does is a bit.
Let's guess again. What is it? What do you think it is,
I
Aria?
think it's gonna be a minion. You should guess.
Let's see. Did you crack it yet?
Yes, I'm gonna crack.
You got it.
Ooh.
Ooh, come on. Let it be a minion.
Crack.
Can I help you? There you go. There you go.
Yummy.
It's not a minion. What is it?
Is it another motorcycle?
It is. It's an orange motorcycle.
Oh, hey, I want a minion.
How about next time? Next time?
Let's try.
Let's see all the toys. Let's put it all together. Mario, let's go ahead and put it all together.
Okay, first we have a skateboard, motorcycle, rocket. Okay, never mind. I want to eat chocolate.
Is it good?
God. You should try.
Are you gonna brush your teeth after?
You should try. You should try.
Thank you. All right, let's go ahead and say bye, everyone. So see you next time. Bye.